Hello everyone and welcome back to Kentish Airsoft. In this video we are playing at 1066 Airsoft using Paul's brand new Tandemkross Cthulhu, which is made with obviously Lancer Tactical. There is a few issues with this gun in particular. It's brand new out the box. We did put a HPA adapter on it. It did perform pretty well, don't get me wrong. It was very fun to use in a CQB kind of area. The only issues it had, which you'll see in this video, is it did decide every now and then to fire full auto when you're on semi. It would kind of bump fire every now and then, and it did gradually get a little bit worse. So I believe since then Paul has sorted the issue, but you will see it a little bit in this video. Extremely fun gun to use. Like I say, it's a bit of a glorified AAP01, just kind of upgraded out the box, and coming in at £140 is not bad either. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and share, and I've got a lot more videos coming your way very soon. Got two going far left, two going wide. I've got one in that room, right in front of me. One in there. They're trying to flank round, are they? Ah, hit. Make sure to go check out the guys over at Splodge Shoots as well. You'll see Kyle dressed up as a jester in this video, which we do trade a couple of times. Great bunch of lads and really good content they're posting too. Ha! No, you're on my I thought you were on my team. Behind cover. You retrieving? Ah, fair play, dude.
We're just going fucking rando.
Keep an eye on that side, yeah? Ah, hit, nice one. And as you can see, that's the bump firing issue I was on about. So you pull semi, it will automatically almost double feed, and it does get quite bad when you're in a CQB area that you can only use semi, and that it's now obviously bump firing. Oh, you fucker! Nice trade, man. Oh fuck, mate! I wish you got that on camera. What? I fucking commando rolled. Yeah. Dead man. Push in, bro, push. Oh, fucking thing. Blues, I need help. I need help. I can't keep an eye on that right angle and straight ahead at the same time. Hit. It's alright. Jester's down. Behind you, Jamie. Where's that? Oh, good shot, Kyle. There, man. Thank you guys for watching if you have this far, and make sure to go check out the guys at Splod Shoots. The Cthulhu overall, very fun gun to use. However, with the bump fire issues, it needs a bit more tweaking and a bit more quality control, I believe, out of the box. So a few kind of modifications maybe, like you have to do with an AAP01. It should then be pretty much a laser beam. It could hit those longer shots. It thrives up close and personal. I just let it down on this one occasion due to the bump firing issue, which, like I say, I believe Paul has sorted it since then. So thank you guys for watching. I've got a couple more videos in the pipeline, loads of footage to go through from days at 1066, days at APOC CQB, and I hope you guys did enjoy. I'll see you in the next one.